Welcome to the Fox Run subdivision located in Manchester, Tennessee, just south of Nashville. Guys, behind me you're going to see a Harney home development that is in full swing. We've got single-family residential homes. We've got multiple homes being built behind us. We've got vacant land to my right-hand side that's going to be developed. Guys, this development as a whole offers anywhere from 1,800 to 2,800 square feet of living, single-family residence. The price point, you're going to be able to find them anywhere from $300,000 up to $500,000. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button, follow along with us as we go take a quick look at these 6 different floor plans that we have to show you.
All right, we are looking at 294 Blandford Circle, which is the 1492 plan, ranch style living, giving you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,492 square feet of living space. Guys, one of the first things you're really going to notice upon entering this home is the large open floor plan. As I pan around, you're going to be able to see the vaulted ceilings leading into the living room area. And then as I pan on around, you're going to notice the granite countertops, all of the cabinet space, as well as the stainless appliances. One of the things to really notate about the Harney Homes developments is they've really gone the extra mile with the garages as they've gone ahead and put epoxy flooring down. With this particular floor plan, it is a split floor plan, so the living room, kitchen, dining is going to be on one end of the home, and all of the bedrooms are going to be located along the left side. So guys, stick around, watch the rest of the tour. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you enjoy tours like this, please hit the subscribe button and let us know, as it does give us more motivation to go out and film more properties for you guys. If you'd like to schedule your private showing, please reach out. Our cell phone is 931-409-8985. The links will be in the comments.